You know that's not my style. I gotta ride or die, right?
Albert's just right on this one.
Okay, so kind of an interesting day today. We've just got a call, and I guess Universal is doing some kind of photo shoot at Universal Studios. They've asked for some of our JDM cars, so we're delivering them the Corolla GR, the NSX, as well as our black hardtop Supra. So you guys can kind of travel along with us. We just literally got the call, and they said, hey, we need them there within the hour. So we're obviously not going to be able to flatbed them and get them on a tow truck in time, so we're hopping in these cars. We're gonna drive them, so we'll see how that goes.
What am I doing here?
NSX, of course. Special. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Badass. They don't make these anymore.
No. Well, the newer generation, that's twin turbo hybrid.
Oh, really?
Totally different body.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. We have this super rare opportunity. It was completely last minute. We got a call. Daryl's like, hey, Dennis needs us to take JDM cars over to Universal. We're like, which ones? And then he sent a few pictures out. They're like, we want all of them. We're like, sick. How the hell are we gonna do this and be there in an hour and a half? We couldn't set up a tow, so we're like, all of us are going. 2 in the minivan, 3 of us driving the cars. We've got the NSX, the Tom's GR Corolla, and our 97 hardtop Supra out here for a special shoot for for Universal, and we're super pumped to be here. It's a great opportunity, and it's been awesome to meet some of the members of the cast finally for a franchise that we've all been a huge fan of for so many years, and it finally came to fruition, and we're here. But dude, I got chills thinking about this. This is awesome. So one of the people we were finally able to meet, and it's been awesome to be in front of the camera with him, was actually Vin Diesel. He's so pumped about these JDM cars and loves seeing cars out here like this. And this was essentially like his baby to get this and make it happen. So it was awesome meeting him. And while I was filming one of the bits with their videographer going over some of the B-roll and the details of the car, Michelle Rodriguez pops up and starts talking about how cool our NSX is. And that's just, it's like unreal that we're in this situation out of nowhere. I was supposed to be looking up parts for a customer today, but we're out here at Universal Studios talking about our cars with the Fast Cast.
That's pretty awesome. Wow.
Found it.
It's like what? Another 50 on there?
He's the Supra.
You can feel it behind you too.
Give it a little cheers.
Why is kind of timeless. It's like,
This body style here.
it's beautiful, it's sexy. Who is gonna drive their whip at 200 miles an hour that I need the aerodynamics of an ugly shape? Like, stop it. Can you bring back the curves, please? Oh, well, thanks for geeking out with me. Cheers.
I wanted to ask you, are you bummed
Bumped?
that you
Bummed?
weren't there for the shoot
What shoot?
for that poster?
Lady parts?